What's up, YouTube? Pyro Nation here at the Jake's Fireworks showroom. Got the big one, Instigator, Zeus. I like that. Wall factors looks like pretty good size here. United we stand. Oh, Skylands.
I'm sorry.
Oh no! This is just for my YouTube guys.
Sparks out of their mouth.
Oh, look at the little school bus.
There's a
fire truck.
You can't buy this stuff.
No, not till you can order this stuff, but it can't be picked up until like the 20th of June or something like that. Ooh, Evil, Wicked, Mean. That looks nice. What is that? See the top of that? Yeah, that's 3-inch. Rip Snorter, which one is that?
That's the name of it, Rip Snorter.
The pink things.
Oh, okay.
That's a nice color.
Oh, look at that One Bad Mother.
Oh, I've seen that.
That's the new bigger One Bad Mother. That's a 3-inch. Yeah, there's some good 3-inch stuff here.
All kinds of good shit. Oh, Go Gorilla. Oh, Zombie Nation. Okay, we'll like that one.
Getting the glare off that light.
Bombshell. Oh, look at that one. Bombshell. Big old titties.
I like this home team. I thought that was a good one. These must be their Z-Cakes. Yeah, the Peacock.
They're trying to
be
like Excalibur.
No, those are Excaliburs. They're just 12 packs instead of 24 packs.
I was going to say King Arthur, that's the same.
That's King Arthur, Excalibur, and they also have another one that's a smaller one. Sir Lancelot, yeah. Let's see. So get out of the sun there. Let's get out of the sun and see if I can get a True Art. American Intensity. Asian Sensation. Magnificent. Dangerous Mind. I like the Dragon one too. I've done that one before. Captain Jake's awesome. Taste of Heat. Boss. Red, White, and Blue Flowers. Red Mother-in-Law.
Oh, green. That was a good one.
I like the green one too. I thought the flicker was just okay. Oh yeah, look at that front line. What is that? Oh, let's look at both those. How many shots is that?
I bet you it's I don't know. It doesn't say.
It's him. Oh, American Rhythm. Yeah, I actually got all of these on order on my order.
150.
150 shot?
156. 150 or 156.
Turner.
156.
Oh, Country Boy. 186.
Jake's kid. There's the really One Bad Mother.
It's good. I've actually seen a couple of these Z-Cakes, you know, that I've wondered about the size.
I think this was a good one. Hot Blooded, that was a good one.
Hot Blooded was not bad. This is that One Bad Act cake. Remember the one that I did 2 of them now?
Red, real bright red, wasn't it?
Yeah, and I had to had them go off
Do we have
in
order
sequence.
forms, guys?
Oh. What do we got there?
I don't know.
Oh, they are order forms, and I don't know.
Here, hold that. My bag's just running away.
There you go.
I got her bag. I don't know what's in here. I'll
This
find
must be the
out.
200-gram section over here. I've had that motor mouth. I don't like the
I get the
Firework
headlight,
Fiesta
Mike.
better.
Look at that.
I get the pretty headlight.
Sure.
It's a, ooh,
Oh, got some good parachutes here, you say? Medium. Awesome. Oh, I thought that little added again looked like it was a small one.
I want one of these.
I like a 2-pack. Bottom.
I don't think my head.
But it's a 16, and I wanted to get some pieces that have like 18, 20 years. So we get a little bit more variety.
These are the top of under. That must be like,
Oh, I forgot. I got the AI one because that's
I can't remember the name of it.
not that stretched out one. It's like a
Psychedelic. I think these are all fountains. Ooh, we got one big fountain down there.
Look at the alien one.
I got these energizers from Black Cat that are 5 minutes.
They're 10 shots.
I might get a couple of those.
See, it don't fit my head.
It's adjustable. They're adjustable.
No, not for me.
And here we are, the rockets. And the Stellar rockets. It's like the happy face.
Look at this one, high speed. Must have been, probably flows about 120 or 100
I've never done the missiles. Yeah, the little missile ones. You like, yeah, I like these little pink little frog heads. Oops. Stand on my O2. Thanks, man. I like the guerrilla warfare.
They're really shorter. Look at those colors.
Guerrilla warfare.
No. Look at I see these ones here. They don't sound as good as the stores.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they're 16,000. They look like a good compound. They don't go off as good as the roll.
I like the roll.
Yeah, roll.
Here we go. Full-blown firework. Here we go, family packs.
Triple palm with tail.
I sold 5 of those big ones last year in 2 days. To somebody who, a person came in wanting 2 of them. I asked them what they paid for them up at the reservation. They said $700 a piece, or yes, $750 or yeah, $700 a piece. I told them, all right, I'll sell them to you for $5. And for $5.50, I think I did it. So I went and got 2. I went and got 2 of them. From theirs, I was able to buy a 3rd one, which I sold on the way home.
Oh, look at this one.
Brad, I got a couple more I'm throwing your way. Perfect. No, we've got
The original Blizzard.
conversation with treasurer with the Pyrotechnic Association. We're going to figure out how to sit down with them and get all this coordinated as much as possible.
Oh, there's
Mike,
one.
you're dragging your hose, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
I don't want somebody to step on it.
Thank you.